Hi, it's Amy again. I wanted to show you some mini albums that I was working on. This one I've decided to do butterflies, and I used black cardstock, and I used a paper line from Oriental Trader, and I don't remember what it's called, but all of these butterfly papers are from Oriental Trader, and they're beautiful. And I just wanted to show you parts of the start, and I know this page is upside down. Apologize for that. This one is. And then I made tags, put photos in, and I made pages. But I have to finish embellishing this. I wanted to know what you thought of it. I made more tags. And then I have to finish putting photo mats in it. But I thought it was cute. This also came, these stickers came with it too, so field notes. This was all part of the little paper line. Isn't that beautiful? And I didn't have to do anything. This was already part of the paper. I used the Hidden Hinge Kathy Orta binding. And I love these papers. They're just so beautiful. And I have more tags in here. And colored that in. And it came with it too. It was part of the set. And this was just some of the stamps I had. And I just put some ribbon on it. And this is the back of the book. And it's so beautiful. And I haven't finished embellishing yet. It's almost too pretty to embellish because it is just beautiful the way it is. And then I have the tags to go with it. So just let me know what you think of that butterfly one. I started one that was vintage. That I haven't finished it yet, but I started this. Hang on, Maggie. There's my daughter. Get out, Maggie. Stepping on me. I'm on the floor. I used some embossed paper. And I haven't finished this yet, but I started putting the pages in. They have the pockets. They do have pockets on the side. I'll show you. They're pocketed. So I'm going to work on this album too. This is going to be more of a vintage album. This one I just cut the edge. And it's a white page, and then I started embellishing this page. And then you can see that it's embossed in the back and the front with the same paper. So, get your thoughts on this. I thought I'd make this up to be vintage.
I have some cheesy crackers.
Oh, cheesy crackers. So, anyways, just get your comments on these if you like these. These are what I'm working on right now. So, thank you for your time.
And pizza hot dogs.
There's my daughter. Have a great night. Bye.
I'm Gigi.